Hello. Thank you for listening to my presentation on my research proposal. My name is Sarah Skinner. This title of my presentation is Patient Education and Community Outreach in Radiologic Technology and Nuclear Medicine Technology Programs. The research question we wish to propose is what types of patient and community education skills are taught in the United States radiologic technology and nuclear medicine programs. The hypothesis we propose is that there are few programs which integrate skills associated with patient education and community outreach in their curriculum. We are going to utilize an anonymous survey to examine the current curriculum in these disciplines and evaluate whether patient education and community outreach are integrated into students' learning experiences. The literature review has been revealing. It has examined the extent to which these competencies are taught in U.S. accredited radiologic technology and nuclear medicine programs. Prior studies in other modalities such as sonography and radiation therapy have demonstrated a higher number of patient education skills taught when compared to a low number of community education skills and outreach activities. There was no significant association identified between type of program or educational background of program directors or curriculum requirements. With the patient education skills, we are going to evaluate for skill incorporation into the curriculum. Some examples of these skills which would appear on our survey tool include providing age-specific education, education on radiation protection, emotional support skills, and patient reassurance. Community education skills are also going to be evaluated. Some examples of this including identifying the level of literacy for your intended audience, performing a dry run of messages, and evaluating the delivery of these messages. For community outreach activities, we're going to be evaluating the skills incorporated, such as increasing physician awareness of new exams and treatments, peer teaching to non-radiology healthcare professionals, and healthcare screenings. The research survey tool is going to allow us to evaluate U.S. radiography and nuclear medicine technology programs. We will be utilizing a fixed quantitative design to assess the current state of teaching, patient communication skills, community education skills, and community outreach activities. All study activities, including participant recruitment, data collection, and data analysis, will be conducted online. Demographic questions regarding program type, location of program, student enrollment volume, educational background of faculty and their publication history in peer-reviewed and non-peer-reviewed journals will also be evaluated. We will be using Qualtrics as a platform for this study. All data will be stored securely in a password-protected environment, and these responses will be anonymized. The data analysis we're going to perform consists of a few types. First of all, we want to perform a gap analysis to see which patient education and community education skills are present or missing in the current curriculum for radiologic technology and nuclear medicine technology programs. The data will be analyzed using the Statistical Package of Social Sciences, SPSS. Descriptive statistics will be used to analyze the quantitative data and draw correlations. Frequency, proportions, Pearson chi-square, paired samples t-test, Wilcoxon signed rank test, and post hoc testing will also be performed. We anticipate some potential issues. First of all, we could have a low participation rate. Secondly, we could also have incomplete surveys. One way to increase the participation rate is to send reminder emails reminding the participants that this is an anonymous survey and that their participation is crucial in our research study. We're also going to remind the participants that the survey is quick and online, so that will perhaps entice them to participate. In conclusion, we've identified that there are difficulties with incorporating patient and community education within radiologic technology and nuclear medicine programs. We believe it is vital that these disciplines provide education in a manner consistent with other medical professional programs. In fact, JCAHO and other accrediting bodies believe it is very important to conclude patient and community education conducted by the technologists. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Please reach out and let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you very much.